Is it time to buy or sell Damon common stock? In this video, we will explore Damon common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of March in the year 2025, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January 2025, our system has ranked Damon common stock as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a loss of 98.43%. This equates to an average loss of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 14.4 cents would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also signal the first indication of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of nearly 98.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss of 100% to a loss of 98.34%. Our latest daily update for Damon common stock includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Damon Inc. Common Stock Price on Monday, moving between 0.01 and 0.0177. The Damon Inc. common stock price fell by 59.77% on the last day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, from 0.0343 to 0.0138. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 77%, with a day low at 0.01 and a day high of 0.0177. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 90.79% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 400 million shares despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning indicating a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. In total, 533 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.36 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.95 and the lowest price was 0.01. Currently, the price is 99.72% or $4.94 below the 52-week high of $4.95, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Damon Incorporated, trading under the symbol DMN, recently concluded an upsized, underwritten public offering, raising a total of $16,500,000 by selling approximately 126,900,000 units at 13 cents per unit. This strategic move is aimed at strengthening its balance sheet and facilitating a multi-vertical revenue strategy, positioning the company for potential long-term growth. Additionally, the company has made substantial progress in diversifying its revenue streams. Damon is concentrating on the personal mobility sector through electric motorcycles and has introduced the Damon 2.0 strategy, which is intended to expand its market opportunities. The appointment of Dominique Kwong as interim chief executive officer and Shashi Tripathi as chairman aligns with this strategic shift, reflecting a renewed commitment to operational excellence. On the consumer product front, Johnny Damon's A-Game has secured partnerships with Miami FC, along with grocery chains such as Southeastern Grocers and Greer's, further enhancing its market presence in the southern United States. These initiatives are expected to increase brand visibility and sales. In the short term, investors may experience stock volatility as the market responds to these announcements. However, if Damon Incorporated successfully implements its strategies, both the public offering and new partnerships could improve the company's financial position and growth potential over the long term, positively impacting its stock price. The following signals have been identified for Damon common stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the stock's near-term development. Damon Incorporated's common stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a January sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of 0.0344 and 0.223. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, March 27, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 69.06%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Damon. Common stock. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may perform poorly in the coming days. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.0077 between its high and low, which amounts to 77%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 31.87%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Damon, a common stock. Currently, there is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock could experience a swift upward movement if conditions are favorable. In such a scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is also a lack of significant support from accumulated volume below. This suggests that the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. Therefore, approach this with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 4th day of December in the year 2024, when Damon Inc. executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Damon common stock a good buy? Damon Incorporated's common stock presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect Damon common stock to open higher by a fraction of a cent and begin trading at approximately 1 cent and 38 hundredths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.